Hello, friends! Welcome to Alex Daily English, Easy Way. Let's learn English in a fun and easy, learn English every day with Alex. Let's start! Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Alex.
Breakfast is ready.
Today is a beautiful day.
I love the beach. Me too.
Stay close to us.
Be careful.
Alex! Alex! Look!
What is that?
It is a little tortoise. It is so cute!
Let's keep it secret. Don't tell Mom and Dad.
Okay.
Slowly open the door. Be careful.
Yes.
This is your new home, little friend. We will take care of you. Eat, little friend. You are happy. Don't worry. We are with you. We are with you.
Alex?
I am doing my homework.
Look, everyone, our new little friend.
Be careful.
What do you have, Lily?
Nothing, Mom.
What was that? The tortoise is gone! Lily, find immediately!
Oh no!
Where are you? Come back! Come back!
Don't go! Please, come here!
So, this is your secret?
I'm sorry, Dad.
We wanted to help.
So sweet. You have kind hearts.
Can we live together?
The sea is its real home.
I understand.
We will drop him to his home tomorrow morning.
I love him.
I understand, kids, but his family miss him.
I understand.
Okay,
Let's take it home.
Goodbye, little friend. We will miss you. Be happy.
You did the right thing.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
I love animals.
Always protect nature.
Thank you for watching my story. See you next time. Keep learning English. Subscribe and like. Which part did you like?